This week I'm introducing ladybugs to my patio garden after spotting signs of leaf miners on a few plants. I'm also dealing with issues with a few plants and I'm adding a new herb. As always, I'm learning as I go and I'm sharing the good, bad, and everything in between. Welcome to the garden. I'm dealing with leaf miners munching on my lettuce, and because I want to keep things organic, introducing ladybugs will eat a number of those predators in the garden. I'll release those later. So in the previous video, I talked about my bush bean issue. I added some worm castings on top to give it a nutrient boost, and I had some orchid bark that I placed on top to help retain moisture. Let's see if that helps. My Thai basil isn't making it. One's dead, and the other is just living. I've got some brown spots on my tomato plant. This one has a few tomatoes on it. I ended up pulling the radish that I basically mishandled from the start, and I'm starting over. I have some turnips, and I have some cherry bell radish seed. I'm going to put the cherry bell radish in the raised bed. And I've got the window box for the turnips. As you already know, I've got two types of spinach. One is doing well, while the one that I initially planted continues to struggle. So I pulled them and replaced them with a more hardy variety. I had an empty space where I harvested all of an herb and I planted some dill, which I had been looking for. Remember these beets that I replanted? Look at how well they're doing. The sugar snaps are thriving. Look at these carrots. I had to look up whether this was normal or should I cover them with soil. Totally normal and a good sign. Fast forward some days later and my bush beans continued to decline. I took a picture to the nursery and we figured that these bags are just too big. They stay wet at the bottom but dry at the top. I picked up some replacements and some smaller pots. But we're not giving up on these. I'm replanting them in smaller pots. I hope they make it. Check out those beans. And here are the new bush beans. I was able to harvest some herbs for a few recipe and wine pairing videos last week. This was for the meze platter, as you can see here in a scene from the video. An update on those seeds that I planted. Here are the cherry bell radish. And these are the turnips. I finally found some plant stands after looking everywhere. So the ladybugs have to be released under the right conditions. I had to place them in the fridge so that they are dormant and relaxed, and I needed to wait until dusk so that the sun doesn't beat down on them and they have time to settle in and they don't fly away. This is an organic method of fighting some of the predators in the garden, including leaf miners, aphids, and some others. I appreciate you all watching. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button.